1. India to become full member of MTCR today. GS Paper 2, Bilateral, Regional and Global Groupings and Agreements involving India and affecting India's interests. Why is it in news recently? In its first entry into any multilateral export control regime, India is all set to join the Missile Technology Control Regime, MTCR, today as a full member. India had applied for the membership of MTCR last year and all the procedural formalities have been completed. India's efforts to get into the MTCR also got a boost after it agreed to join the Hague Code of Conduct, dealing with the Ballistic Missile Non-Proliferation Arrangement, earlier this month. What is the Missile Technology Control Regime, MTCR? Established in April 1987, it is a voluntary association of 34 countries, 35, once India is formally included, and 4 unilateral adherents that follow its rules: Israel, Romania, Slovakia, Macedonia. The group aims to slow the spread of missiles and other unmanned delivery technology that could be used for chemical, biological and nuclear attacks. The regime urges members, which include most of the world's major missile manufacturers, to restrict exports of missiles and related technologies capable of carrying a 500 kg payload at least 300 km, or delivering any type of weapon of mass destruction. How does the MTCR work? Members must have national policies governing export of ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, unmanned aerial vehicles, space launch vehicles, drones, remotely piloted vehicles, sounding rockets, and their components. There are 2 categories of exports. Category 1, which are basically exports of complete products and major subsystems and are meant to be extremely rare, with guidelines instructing members that there will be strong presumption to deny transfers, and Category 2, which includes materials, technologies and components whose transfers can be made more easily, since they generally have civilian applications, even though these 2 are done with caution. Does joining the MTCR make getting missile technology easier for India? There are no special concessions for MTCR members. But India hopes its MTCR membership will be one more reason for the US to consider exporting Category 1 UAVs, Reaper and Global Hawk, which have been key to counter-terrorism efforts in Afghanistan, Pakistan, Somalia, and Yemen. These drones have so far been sold to only one country, the UK, though unarmed versions have also been made available to Italy and South Korea. The US has been rethinking rules on exports, aware that competitors in Israel, Russia and China are working on similar products, and India wants to be at the head of the queue when the Reaper and the Global Hawk go on the market.